Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my brother.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have 1 brother.
Do you have any sisters?
No, I do not have any sisters.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Ahmed.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Fatima.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
How old is your father?
He is 50 years old.
How old is your mother?
She is 45 years old.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have grandparents.
Where do your grandparents live?
They live in the countryside.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, I visit them every week.
Who is the oldest person in your family?
My grandfather is the oldest.
Who is the youngest person in your family?
My little sister is the youngest.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, I am very close to my family.
What do you do with your family?
We watch TV and eat together.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my parents.
What do you do to help?
I clean my room and help in the kitchen.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, I like it very much.
What is your favorite family activity?
My favorite activity is having dinner together.
Do you celebrate the holidays with your family?
Yes, we celebrate together.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother cooks.
Who do you talk to the most in your family?
I talk to my mother the most.
Do you share a room with someone?
Yes, I share a room with my brother.
Do you have a pet in your family?
Yes, we have a cat.
What do you like about your family?
I like their love and support.
Why is family important?
Family is important because they help and support us.